welcome to the Pencil 2D animation tutorial. Today in this particular session we'll be learning the basics of Pencil 2D. So first of all, what we can do with Pencil 2D, okay, what are the applications of Pencil 2D? As we know, this is actually to create 2D animations. We can create two-dimensional animations and then we can also create 2D images with the tools available. And after forming the animations and the images, we can also export the videos and images in various formats. So there are some formats in which we can actually export them, and we can also add sound effects to the animations. So these are some of the basic applications of Pencil 2D. Now here we can see some of the advantages of Pencil 2D animation. The very first is it is open source software. So for 2D animations, many softwares are available, and Pencil 2D is free. Okay, it is open source software. The second advantage is it is easy to learn. We can easily learn it. Then third is that it can run on Windows, Linux as well as Mac OS. And the fourth is it has a very simple interface. Because the complex graphics are not involved, so it has a very simple interface. And of course, this particular software, Pencil 2D, it requires less computational power and it requires less amount of memory. So with the advantages, we also have some shortcomings. The very first is it follows the traditional animation method. So what is this traditional animation method? So in traditional animation method, we have various frames. Okay, there are frames and we have to draw the animation by hand. Suppose if you want to show that a ball is rolling from one point to another, so this is the first. On the first frame we have this, we have to draw it by hand, and on the second also we have to draw it by hand, and so on. So each frame will carry this particular drawing which is drawn by hand. So this is the traditional method. Okay. Of course, we have some other complex. We have some softwares which also in which we don't need to draw each and every frame, but here we need to follow the traditional method. Second drawback is effects are not available. So when you think of effects, actually in some softwares we have various effects like fire, smoke, and many other effects are available, but in case of Pencil 2D, such effects are not available. Then very few drawing tools are available. In this case, we have very few drawing tools are available. Like suppose if you want to draw a circle, we cannot. There is no tool by which we can just put it drag and drop. So there is no such option available. For drawing a circle, we need to draw it by our hand. Okay, or maybe of course with our mouse. Of course, we will be drawing on the screen, so we need to use our mouse or maybe a pen tablet. So very few drawing tools are available, and the last one is the complex scenes cannot be created using Pencil 2D animation. Because very few drawing tools are available, we cannot make complex scenes. But as far as I think, those who want to learn animation, we can start with this particular software, Pencil 2D. It's very easy to learn. Okay, and we can then switch to more complex softwares. Okay, so we'll see this shortly. Now next we'll see how to download this software. So just click on Google Chrome, any of the browser we can click, and then we type the Pencil 2D software download. So this is just click here, and then you can find this pencil2d.org download. I can click here. Now as you can see, there are stable versions available. For this version 0.6.6. So for Windows we have this Windows 64 32-bit processor. Then for Windows Vista we have this 32-bit processor, and then Mac, and also for Linux. I have a Windows operating system, so and 64-bit processor. I'll just click here. So as soon as we click, you can see it is being downloaded. The zip file is being downloaded. Okay, and we need to unzip it. So as soon as it gets downloaded, it is around 59.1 MB. So after downloading this, I can see this file in my downloads folder. So I just copy it. I can just copy or cut. Okay, I just copy it, okay, and paste in my folder here. Okay, I just paste it here. This is copied. So now I'll just extract it. I'll just extract it here. Now after extracting, we get a folder of pencil 2D. Okay. Let us see. So here this is the folder which is extracted. I'll just double click here. Sorry, not this one. So this is this one. This pencil 2D. This is what we will get after extracting. Now in this particular file, you can see this folder. We see this is pencil 2D. I just double click on it, and there we are. So this is the particular interface where we will be animating. We can draw the images, okay, and we can make many animations. Okay. These are the various tools which are available. So we'll go by these tools in the next tutorial, next session. So by the way, we'll see what we can do with this particular. I'll just show some examples what I've done with this particular 2D, and we'll learn how to make those animations. Okay, so that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.